Well, hello.
Hello.
One more time. We just made one vlog here on my computer, but
There was no sound.
photo booth just fails right now. So
There was no sound. We hate it.
yes.
But anyway,
I hope this one
this
is working.
has to
It
have
has to
sound.
Yes, exactly. But okay, fast.
We've been out running.
Yes, and we have done some exercising,
Yes.
and we have worked out some stomach muscles
Yeah.
and our legs and
Arms
yes.
and backs.
But we're not going
Our
to have.
whole body.
Okay, we're not going to have big.
You have much more than I have. I have nothing.
Okay,
This
but
is me stretch.
it's going down. It's going. I don't try not to.
Okay, I'm not.
It's going down.
What do you mean?
I'm telling you, not my buttons. It's hard.
Now
Still.
I'm
Okay.
It's very.
But the exams is coming in next week, so we
Yeah,
need to-
English in next week.
I'm so scared. But one good thing is that after the exam is over, finished, bambinuch, eller hvad man siger, eller then
It's summer holiday.
yeah, and it will be
But
so nice.
unfortunately, school is going to end.
Yes.
And that's we don't like that.
No, and
That means no more kissing Laura videos.
yeah, that's bad. Okay, but what are you going to do in this summer?
I'm going to Roskilde Festival, which is a music festival in Denmark, and I have got a job at a bakery where I'm going to sell cakes all summer long.
We love cakes.
We sure do, and I'm
And
hoping
that is
to get
why
them
we're
for free.
exercising right now. It's because we like cakes and eat it all the time. But we have to get ready to the beach this summer.
Yeah, where I'm not going, but she is because she's
I'm going to Portugal.
Yeah.
Woo! Near Lisbon and yeah, a bit around. Over for about more than 2 weeks with my parents. So
Lucky.
I'm going to see some hot guys down there. I'm just kidding.
So
Well,
Well-
what were you talking about in this?
I can't remember. Stupid photo booth.
Oh, I know what we talked about. We
Yeah.
talked about, do you know Omega? And do you know Facebook?
The
And
daily booth.
yeah, you have to try Daily Booth.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, and you have
We put a link in the description
to over there.
over there.
Oh, det er han. Over there.
And right here, we'll put a link for daily booth.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah, right there.
And
what
we
else?
want to know, why do you guys don't know Facebook?
Seriously,
If-
why?
yeah,
It's
if
the
you
world's
talk-
biggest social network
Uh,
in the whole world. It
Of-
is. It is.
There's one on there.
Apparently.
Apparently not.
Well, it is. It says on the front page, world's biggest social network,
Yeah, but
and it is. But you guys don't know it.
if you talk to people, if you talk to people on Omegle, then they don't know Facebook.
Yeah.
If you ask people in Netherlands or in England or in America or
China.
in China, they don't know Facebook.
don't know
it's
it.
so weird. But it's fun.
But
You can-
everybody in Denmark knows it, and half the
Yeah.
population has a profile.
That's right.
So
So
but we also want to know, do you say vlog or vlog? Because we've heard both versions.
yeah, I never heard people say vlog, but
Yeah, but some do, and
yeah.
it's weird because we say vlog. But post a comment and video response. Keep sending us questions,
Yeah.
and here is a
What
link
do
for
you
daily
say?
booth.
What do you say? Vlog or vlog?
Yes.
And just for the last thing, I am going to a restaurant here in this evening tonight, in about 1 hour, and she's not. She's just going to sit home and have a boring evening.
Anyway, we'll see you later, perhaps.
Bye bye.